How to make 10K a month using Writesonic. Here is some advice on how to make 10K a month using Writesonic. Choose a niche. Identifying an area of interest for your channel is essential for focusing your content and targeting the right audience. Be sure to research on the niche to check its profitability and analyze the competition. Create high-quality content. Once you've found a profitable niche, creating content that resonates with the viewers and encourages them to watch more is key. Quality content can come in many forms, such as tutorials, reviews, vlogs, interviews, and more. Implement SEO strategies. Getting your videos to rank well on search engine result pages, SERPs, will help increase the visibility of your channel. Writing engaging titles, optimizing your video descriptions, and adding relevant tags can improve your search engine ranking and boost organic traffic. Promote your channel. Once you've created content for your channel, it's time to promote it. Utilizing social media platforms and paid advertising can help increase your reach and attract more viewers. Monetize your channel. Finally, monetizing your channel is the key to generating passive income. You can enable ads on your videos, set up a Patreon account, or even start selling merch. Click the link and get Writesonic today.